नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू येलो कैप चैनल. टुडे we will discuss more about computer latest questions and your selection will be sure if you go through all these questions. Let us start our questions. Our first question is, the C hash and Visual Basic convert your code into a special language named MSIL. What is MSIL? MSIL can be defined as the collection or set of instructions that are not dependent to each other. Our next question is, which function allows us to access a file in a non-sequential and random manner? Seek and tell is a command or function that allow you to access a file in a non-sequential manner or random manner. You can select a record from anywhere, from left, from right, from middle or from beginning of the file. So seek and tell function is a function that allow us to access a file. Access means reading a file in a non-sequential and random manner. In Python, which data type is unordered and mutable? Sets is a data type which is unordered and mutable. In Python, which data type is ordered and mutable? List is a data type which is ordered and mutable. In Python, which data type is ordered and immutable? Tuple is a data type which is ordered and immutable. So you come to know that list, set and dictionary are mutable. Mutable means which can be changed any time. List, set and dictionary are mutable, but tuple is not mutable. Mutable. Now I will tell you a difference about mutable and immutable data type. Some of the mutable data type in Python are list, dictionary, set and user defined classes. On the other hand, some of the immutable data types are integer, float and decimals. Float, boolean, string, tuple and range. List and tuple are ordered data type. On the other hand, some of the unordered data type are set and dictionary. Which one of the following is not a database management system? Database management system is a system in which you can access a file, you can keep record, you can seek record from anywhere and you can maintain report also. So database management system. PostgreSQL, Foxborough and DBase, all of these are database management system, but SAKE is not a database management system. Our next question is, if data attribute of a class and method of a class are in the same scope, the data attribute will be given same priority, means equal priority. Now you should have information about what is data attribute and what is method and what is class. Class is a prototype of object. Suppose you want to keep a record of a student, then student is a object and you can define object through your class. Data attributes means name and age are data attribute. Of attribute means characteristic or feature of a class. Like name and age is a data attribute for student and student, but if you are writing that age should be printed in this format, then it is a method. If they have the same scope, then they will be given same priority. Our next question is, in database relation means, what is database? Database means records keeping is a database, and in database relation means table. What is domain? Domain is a unique set of value permitted for an attribute in a table. For example, a domain of month of the year can accept January, February, December as possible value, and domain of integer can accept the whole value that are negative, positive or 0. The key are very important part of relation database model. They are used to establish, identify relationship between table and also to uniquely identify any record or row of data inside a table. Means if you are writing student ID, then student ID is key, because every student would have a unique student ID, that is key. What is tuple? Tuple is a record. Tuple is a record in a table. Means if you are writing student name, student age of a particular student, then it is a tuple. Now you will see about all the data types that we are using in Python. First one is str, string, integer, float, complex, list, tuple, range, dictionary, set, frozen set, boolean, bytes, byte array and memory view. You have to check all the data types like list, tuple, what is the difference between list and tuple, and how you can write down it in a Python. List is started with rectangular. List started with a rectangular bracket, tuple with a round bracket, range with a range you can write down 7, 8, and dictionary with a curly bracket, and set also with a dictionary with a curly bracket. In dictionary you can write down a colon in between data, but in set you have to write down comma. This is the difference between dictionary and set. In Python, command start with a which symbol? Command start with a hash symbol. In Python, hash is used for commenting any data. In Java, backslashes are used for commenting any data, and for multi-line comment in Java you have to use backslash asterisk or at the end asterisk backslash for commenting. What is the why you are using comment in your Python program? Because if you want to tell that what your program will do, and at the end of a program you will know that what this line will be doing for your programming. So comment is very useful. In which sorting algorithm every adjacent pair is compared and swapped if they are not in a right order? So in bubble sort we can compare and swap at every time for comparison. Suppose we have written 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 and between that, then every time first element will be compared with every element, and then it will be swapped if they are smaller or bigger than that value. It depends on you are comparing ascending order or descending order. Okay, in next video you will learn about selection sort, and every sorting I will tell you, because sorting is very important for programming. In next video you will discuss more about computer questions, so that your selection for the HSSC will be sure. Meet you soon with latest computer questions. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share our channel Yellow Cap for coding and HSSC exam.